In this video, we listed the 5 best portable greenhouses that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Flower House 155 Plant House. The Flower House greenhouse, in a crisp white color, weighs 18 pounds and features a single door. Its global trade identification number is 0089251401556. Designed for easy setup on various surfaces like soil or hard ground, it assembles quickly, providing immediate protection to plants and extending the growing season. The greenhouse utilizes GrowTech ripstop fabric, which diffuses light to enhance plant growth while offering UV protection for durability. It fosters high humidity levels crucial for optimal plant development and includes an open floor design, allowing installation over existing trees or bushes. Number 2. Gardman R687 Mini. The Gardman Mini Greenhouse in black is designed for compact spaces like small backyards, decks, patios, or balconies, providing an ideal environment for seeds, seedlings, and young plants to thrive early in the season. It features a clear polyethylene cover with a roll-up zippered door for convenient access. The greenhouse stands 63 inches tall with dimensions of 27 inches in length and 18 inches in width, supported by a sturdy push-fit tubular steel frame that can be assembled in minutes without requiring any tools. Number 3. Jontex Cold Frame Raised. The Jontex Gray Polycarbonate Greenhouse offers a versatile and practical solution for cultivating plants in various settings such as patios, balconies, decks, and gardens. With dimensions of 30-inch L x 22.4 W x 42.9 h, it features double shelves that provide ample space for a variety of plants, complemented by an elegant and straightforward design. The greenhouse includes a foldable top with adjustable bolts, allowing for easy opening to absorb sunlight on sunny days and secure closure during rainy weather. Constructed from heavy-duty wood, it ensures durability and strength to support seed trays, pots, and plant growth lights. Its modular design enables effortless assembly and disassembly without the need for tools, offering flexibility to relocate as needed. Backed by a satisfaction guarantee, Jontex promises a reliable and satisfying shopping experience with a commitment to addressing any quality issues promptly. Number 4. Quicktent Pop-Up. The Quicktent Pop-Up Greenhouse combines durability and functionality with its features and design. Featuring a black 600D Oxford fabric that minimizes fading and a thickened 18mm clear waterproof PVC cover, this greenhouse offers extended service life. Its heavy-duty fiberglass frame allows for quick setup in seconds. The greenhouse includes 4 roll-up zipper doors and 2 zipper screen windows, providing effective plant protection and climate control throughout the year. An extended cover design enhances stability with added weights, and reinforcement kits with stakes and tie ropes further secure the structure, ensuring durability even in adverse weather conditions. Quicktent offers robust customer support with lifetime replacement for connectors, bases, and stakes, and a 1-year complimentary service for poles and covers, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction and product longevity. Number 5. Ohuhu 3-Tier. The Ohuhu Greenhouse in green offers a spacious environment for plants, featuring dimensions of 56.3-inch L x 55.5 W x 76.8 h with roll-up doors and PE cover material. It combines warmth with ventilation through zippered doors and screen windows, ensuring optimal airflow and easy observation. The greenhouse includes 12 wired shelves, providing ample space for various plants and vegetables, supported by heavy-duty, rust-resistant tubes. Its portable and tool-free assembly design allows for easy setup and relocation, making it ideal for patios, balconies, and gardens to enrich green spaces effortlessly.